another question on analytic function. So it says, given u of xy is equal to x square minus y square plus 2x for f of z equal to u of xy plus v of xy, I times of v of xy, which is analytic function find v of xy. So it is given that this function f of u plus I v, f is u plus I v, and this function is analytic in the region or everywhere in that region, whatever. So in that case it should satisfy CR equations. It should satisfy CR equations. So that is du by dx should be equal to dv by dy, and du by dy should be equal to minus of dv by dx, right? So x is already given here. I mean u of x is already given here. This is x square minus y square plus 2x plus 2x, sorry. So that means, let me write it here, du by dx is going to be 2x plus 2, and du by dy is going to be simply minus 2y. In that case we can say that this dv by dy is going to be du by dx, which is 2x plus 2. Also this dv by dx, now this minus can be removed by multiplying it on the other side, will become minus of minus 2y, which becomes 2y. So now we can integrate this on integrating. So we can integrate this with respect to y and this one with respect to x. So let's see what we are getting. So the first one gives v is equal to, like integrating with respect to y, this will become 2xy plus 2y plus a function of x, or yes, this is fine. Also the other one, which is integration of 2y with respect to x, will give v is equal to 2xy plus, now that we are integrating with respect to x, there should be a function of y. Of course we can write plus c as a constant on both the sides. So why did we write this extra term fx and fy? This equation we are integrating in terms of y, which makes it that the x variable is to be treated as a constant. So there are possibility in this case that we may have a function which is exclusively of, or it is explicitly of, function of x. Just imagine we have 2xy plus 2y and let's say plus x square. So in case we have it as plus x square and we differentiate it with respect to y, for 2xy we will get 2x, for 2y we will get 2, but for the function which is implicitly made of x, like x square, will have the differentiation with respect to y as 0, right? So that is why when you are integrating this function with respect to y, you will have to take the integration. While integrating, we will have to take function of x, and if required you can take plus c as a constant, because c will be also treated as constant for y, and this function of x will also be treated as a constant. Similarly, while integrating this 2y with respect to x, in that terms what will happen, there will be a function of y which has been treated as a constant in terms of x, because x is not related with y, and other than that there can be a constant. So I'm not writing that constant part, and then we can compare. So if both of these equations are for v only, then we can see that this 2xy is there in both the terms. Now this 2y is not present in v in this case, but we have a function which will be only of the y. So this is nothing but this is f of y, and while integrating with terms of x, we didn't get any function which was explicitly made of x, like x square, x cube, like that. We didn't get anything like that. So in that case this function is not there, so I'll write it as plus 0. This means this f of x is 0. So the overall v function of x and y is going to be 2xy plus 2y. If you want, you can write plus c also as a constant. Is it clear? Because we don't have any such function which is implicitly made of x in the integration with respect to x, but we have a function which is implicitly made of y when integrating in terms of y. So that f of y will be 2y. So this will be the v.